An air mattress is a convenient way to have a guest bed ready to go in a matter of minutes. We purchased 10 air mattresses from the top home and camping brands and tested them in the lab, evaluating ease of setup, portability, and comfort. Our team even conducted an overnight air leak test to assess durability, determining how much air escaped each mattress when loaded with 60 to 100 pounds of weight. After 16 hours of testing, the winner is the Koil Queen Air Mattress, which is easy to inflate and deflate, has a built-in pillow and comfort quilt top, and comes with a 1-year warranty. Based on our testing, here are the best air mattresses. There are many products available to choose. Cheap Queen Air Mattress, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap Queen Air mattress from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Koil Luxury Air Mattress. After testing it among 10 models in our lab, the popular Koil Air Mattress is our best overall air mattress. If you are looking for a comfortable mattress that is simple to set up and easy to carry, this is the choice for you. Equipped with a built-in pump, this mattress offers fast inflation and deflation, using 2 separate knobs to control these functions. In fact, the whole setup process took only 7 minutes, and the deflation process was just as easy. The Koil has a fully flocked top layer, so we found it soft and comfortable to lay on. Plus, the suede-like surface helped keep bed sheets in place. Our testing team did note that the sides of the mattress weren't as plush to the touch as expected, so the sheets were as snug around the mattress as they could have been. Like other mattresses we tried, it did move an inch or two when we jumped on it during stability testing. We suspected a grippier bottom or more flocking would help the mattress hold its position better. But even with the slight movement, it felt stable to use. And with its weight capacity of 600 pounds, this is also a great option for couples. It's also available in a California king size if you're looking for more room to spread out. Overnight, we challenged this mattress with 100 pounds of distributed weight. It did deflate from 21 inches to 19 inches, but this isn't overly surprising for a mattress that lacks a secondary pump for overnight inflation. We also think it's an excellent value. It's not the most expensive or the cheapest air mattress on the market, but it's priced right for its features, and just one of the many reasons it's our top pick. Number 2. Insta-Bed Raised Air Mattress with NeverFlat Pump. A dual-pump air mattress eliminates the worries of waking up on a saggy, deflated bed. And if you've ever gone to sleep on an air mattress, only to wake up with it flat on the floor, you'll especially appreciate a dual pump option. While not all air mattresses are equipped with this feature, we tested several, and the Insta-Bed Raised Air Mattress is our top recommendation. In our overnight evaluation, this option lost less than an inch of height, while holding 100 pounds of weight. One tester even noted, if sleeping on a deflated mattress is a concern, this has a great feature meant to prevent that. It's also comfortable and high enough to make it easier to get in and out of. Setting up the Insta-Bed Raised Air Mattress is easy enough, taking less than 5 minutes to reach full inflation, and giving you the option of plush, medium, or firm settings. However, the motor was surprisingly noisy while filling the mattress, especially compared to others we tested. Also, keep in mind that you'll hear some light noise from the motor while the mattress is set up, thanks to the NeverFlat secondary pump that monitors and maintains air pressure. Our testing team didn't find it to be a nuisance, but pointed out that very light sleepers may want to reconsider whether a dual-pump air mattress is the best choice for them. In terms of comfort, this mattress has a flock surface, but it wasn't as plush as other options we tested. The mattress also had the strongest odor out of the box. In terms of durability and portability, we have no complaints. In fact, the mattress was in pristine condition after our testing, and we like the fact that the storage bag includes handles to make it easier to tote the mattress from one location to another. Number 3. Ivation Airbed Air Mattress with Frame and Rolling Case. An air mattress with a frame elevates the sleeping area, making it easier to get in and out of bed. It also gives any spare room the feeling of a proper guest room when you need it. Our top pick in this category, the Ivation Airbed Air Mattress, offers a unique design with a self-deploying frame that gives the bed a standard height of 24 inches. Of the 10 air mattresses we tested in the lab, this option was one of the easiest to set up, even with a frame. The process was largely hands-off, and it took only 6 minutes and 32 seconds to complete. According to our product tester, the setup for this bed couldn't be any simpler, as you just unzip the case, select the firmness level, and move the dial to inflate. In just a few minutes, you'll have a comfortable bed for guests. The queen-sized Ivation Airbed features 48 support coils and adjustable firmness levels, including plush, medium, and firm. A flat top gives the bed a softer feel and keeps sheets from sliding. When inflated, the frame gives the bed a substantial look that is worthy of temporary setup in a small guest room. It should be noted that this mattress may move a little bit under shifting weight and has the potential to lose some air overnight. In our testing, it did fold in on itself under the weight of 100 pounds during our overnight test. Take note that the testers had no concerns about durability. Deflating the mattress was fast and easy, and it collapses to fit inside of a zippered duffel bag with wheels. It would be easy to roll this air mattress out of a closet, but it's worth mentioning that our testers found the case to be a little heavy and bulky. It may be challenging for one person to carry it up a flight of stairs, and would probably best be stored on the same floor where you plan to use it. Number 4. Intex Dura-Beam Standard Series Deluxe Pillow Rest Raised Aired. For a supportive and durable twin-size air mattress, the Intex Dura-Beam is a great option. This version is as long as a standard twin mattress, 75 inches, and also provides an inch of extra width. Standing 16.5 inches tall, we appreciated the mattress's lofty feel during our testing process. Ideal as an extra bed for one overnight guest or child, the Intex Dura-Beam Twin Air Mattress uses a built-in electric pump for easy setup. It took 6 minutes to assemble the bed, and we gave the process 5 stars for its simplicity. We also found that the pump made it faster and easier to deflate the air mattress, too. This air mattress is designed to be comfortable for a single sleeper, and features a flux surface, built-in pillow, and raised edge. We found it well designed, comfortable, and durable, so it earns 5 stars for each of these attributes. We did note that this air mattress wasn't as stable during our testing process, moving an inch or two when we jumped onto it. However, given the fact that the twin-size mattress has less surface area in contact with the floor, we weren't surprised to see it shift a little. Convenient enough to store or transport it for camping, this air mattress folds into a bag with handles when deflated. Our product testers rated it 5 stars for portability. There was nothing that our testing team would change about the Intex Dura-Beam, giving it a 5-star rating for overall value. Number 5. Beautyrest Skyrise Full Raised Air Mattress with Electric Pump. When shopping for a mattress, you choose the firmness level based on your sleeping style and preferences. With an adjustable air mattress, you can select from plush, medium, and firm settings to fill the mattress to your comfort level. We tested several air mattresses with this feature, but recommend the Skyrise Raised Express Air Mattress from Beautyrest. In our lab testing, this mattress was described as a very comfortable, and almost like a regular bed my back felt supported. Not surprisingly, it earns 5 stars for design and 4.5 stars for comfort. The only thing standing between this air mattress and a 5-star rating for comfort is the fact that its inflated dimensions were shorter, by 1 inch, and more narrow, by 2 inches, than a standard full-size mattress. Instead of using a dial that fills the air mattress to preset firm, medium, or plush settings, the Skyrise Raised Express Air Mattress uses an electric pump to fill the bed to capacity. Then, you control the firmness with the one-touch adjustable comfort button on the mattress. This gives you the ability to adjust the air mattress to suit your needs, rather than relying on fixed settings or manually letting air out from the valve. Once filled, this mattress is durable, stable and supportive, earning 5 stars for each attribute. It didn't move when we lightly jumped onto the bed, and it lost less than 1 inch of air in our overnight weight test. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.